Hello children, good afternoon. See, this is Viva language book, right? Now in this Viva book, on page number 10, we are going to read aloud the sight words, right? But today we are going to do it in a different way. We are going to play a game, okay? And for that game, we have kept some chits here. Right, in these chits, what is written? Sight words are written, okay? So now, whichever sight word I pick up and I will read that sight word, and then I will have to find out from this whether that sight word is here or not, okay? And if I get that sight word, then I will color it with blue color, okay? Now let's find out. Okay, now let me see which color is this. Okay, this is my. So my is here. I can see my here. Okay, but I will not color it with blue because I am going to color these 5 sight words with blue and then these 5 sight words with green. So what I'll take dark green color and then color this apple with dark green. My. So this is my crayon, right? So like this you can make sentence also at home. Practice to make sentences with these sight words. That is very important. Okay, now my sight word is over. Now next you pick up another sight word. Let's see which sight word is this. So. Yes. Now this so, where do I find? Yes, here. So. Okay, so this one I will color with blue. Yes. It is night. So it is dark. रात है इसीलिए डार्क है, राइट? दिन है इसीलिए लाइट है. It is day, so it is bright. So like that you have to use this so word. So is also over. Now let us pick some other. Okay, I have picked up this B. So now I am going to use this green color and I have found that B here. B. Let it be. If you can't color, then let it be. आप अगर नहीं कलर कर पा रहे हो तो छोड़ दो. Let it be. So that is what, how you use this B. Okay? So B is over. Now next, which sight word I have picked up? To. To here. So I will use blue color. To. I have to come to school every day because I am a teacher. I teach in the school, so I have to come to school. या फिर come to school. School आओ. School में आओ. Come to. Come to school. Okay? या come to my house. So आप अपने फ्रेंड को कैसे बोलोगे? Come to my house. Come to my house. Okay. Next. Go. G-O, go. Today we will go to the market. Market. We will go to the market to buy some veggies and fruits. So, जाना. कहीं पे जाने के लिए क्या बोलते हैं? Go. Right? या फिर कोई बहुत परेशान करता है आपको तो आप बोल सकते हैं प्लीज गो अवे, डोंट डिस्टर्ब, Like that also you can make sentence with go. So go is also over. Now next what we will see. Okay, next word is up. Up, upar, upar, up. Now where is up, up, up? Here. So color it with green. So children, you also have to do this activity at home. So whenever you start working, you have to keep everything ready. Like this chits you have to make, like this crayon you have to keep, and then you have to play at home like this. Up. The helicopter flies up in the sky. Birds fly up in the sky. Okay, now next is no. No. Sometimes when your mama gives you something, you say no mama, I don't want to eat. Right? No. किसी चीज़ को ना बोलने के लिए हम क्या बोलते हैं? No. Right? Please. No, I don't want to eat. If you have something, somebody asks you, do you have a pencil? Then you say, no, I don't have a pencil if you don't have, right? Now, next is buy. B-Y, buy. Where is buy? Come on, come on, come on. Yes, B-Y, buy. Buy my side. So, always be by my side. मेरे साइड में रहना. ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, हमेशा मेरे साथ रहना, मेरे बाजू में रहना, मेरे को हेल्प करना. सो बी बाय माई साइड. बाय. नाउ नेक्स्ट do. D-O, do. Do your homework. Children, do your homework. Are you doing your homework every day? Yes, very good children. I am doing my work every day, right? I am coming to school every day, teaching you. So are you also doing that? Learning work and doing your homework? Yes. So do. D-O, do. D-O, do. Do your homework. Now क्या बाकी रह गया? U-S, us. U-S, us. So U-S, us. Come on. Color U-S, us with green color. Now us, what do you mean by us? If one person says this color is with me, so it is said for an individual person. But if for more than one person you have to say, then you have to use us. These colors are with us. Us. So this way, children, you have to do this sight word which is colored in blue and green. Practice at home. Happy learning.